Hey everyone, Eric with Rocket H. In this video, I'm going to show you the prototype 42-foot tandem axle Cornhusker trailer. This is the real one that I based this 3D printed one off of. This one's right here in Dodge at a truck stop. And I went out and measured all these stringers to see how far apart they were, kind of get a basic idea of what it is was going to design, and here is the prototype. This multicolored object here is the 42-foot, and the different colors show you just the vast amount of parts and pieces that go into this or are in this particular design. I based this whole 42-footer off of this 48-foot Cornhusker. So you can see I reused a lot. There's going to be a lot of parts in common between the two trailers. And I thought I'd just show you kind of the comparison of the two. And why did I reuse this instead of starting out with an original design? The reason for that is my skill set is very limited when it comes to designing. So I just chose to reuse as much of this one as I possibly could. And for comparison purposes, we'll just put these two together so you can see the difference. Like the hopper openings and everything, it's all going to be the same. The rollover tarp frame's basically going to be the same. I'm uncertain if it's going to fit the trailer correctly once I'm done. But here's what I wanted to show you right here. This yellow part on the back is the 48, and then kind of this blue line right here, or this blue triangle, that would be the 40, basically the end of the 42. So I had to take about 25 millimeters out or off of the 48 to get it to 42. So that kind of shows you the difference between the two. Is this a perfect design? No, not at all. But for my skill set, it's about as good as I know how to make it at this moment. Of course, there's always room for improvement. But anyway, that's basically what I wanted to show you. And if you have any feedback on the matter, I would be open to whatever you have to offer regarding the design. So have a good one. We'll talk to you later.